Okay, so this video is for my women over 35 who feel like they're somewhere between layoffs, working from home, motherhood, or just life, and you lost your sense of style. Maybe you're getting dressed for an interview and nothing feels like you. Maybe your closet is full of comfortable clothes, but nothing feels intentional. Or maybe you're just tired of looking thrown together. In this video, I'm giving you 6 pieces you need to build a wardrobe that actually works for your real life, no matter what season you're in, okay, friend? By the end of this video, you're gonna have a solid go-to list that you can pull from anytime you need to get dressed and feel put together. And stay until about the 3-minute mark because I'm gonna lay out the full list so you can screenshot it and start building. All right, so let's get into it. Before we get into the actual pieces, I wanna say something I wish somebody had told me when I started this process. You don't need to do this all at once, friend. You don't need to spend a lot of money. And you definitely don't need to buy things that don't fit the life you're living right now just because somebody online said that those things are must-haves. I built my capsule slowly, like over the past year, and I'm actually still in the process of building it. Like I buy 1 item a month, sometimes 2 if I found something affordable enough. I set myself a budget, $50, maybe even $60 a month, and I stuck to that budget because I have a mortgage, I have a child in daycare, I have debt we're paying down, and bills that do not care about my style goals, okay? So when I say this is accessible and budget friendly, I mean it. I shop at Old Navy, J. Crew Factory, Banana Republic Factory, Quince, ThreadUp, Depop, whatever. I'm not out here dropping thousands of dollars on a wardrobe. I'm a regular woman building something intentional on a real budget. And that's the energy we're bringing to this episode. This isn't a haul video, and I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm telling you what works and why, and you take what applies to your life right now. All right, so these are the 6 everyday pieces that make getting dressed feel like a choice instead of a crisis. You already know from the last episode that your white button-up, blazer, trousers, stud earrings, and your pumps are your interview non-negotiables. Those items live in their own lane, even though they can be worn with a ton of stuff on this list. The rest of these items are things to wear in your everyday life. So the first item, dark straight leg or slim jeans. A good pair of dark jeans is doing most of the work in your closet. Dark denim can go from day to night in a way that light wash or distressed jeans just can't. I got mine from Old Navy and I wear them with anything from cute tops and heels to t-shirts and sneakers. You can wear them to pick up your kid, go to brunch, go to a casual dinner. They literally work for almost any occasion. Number 2 is a simple knit top or an elevated tee. Not a graphic tee, not your old college shirt, friend. I mean a clean, simple top and a solid neutral. So like think cream, black, white, navy, whatever works for your palette. This is a shirt that you could throw on with a pair of jeans and immediately look like you got dressed on purpose. This is your workhorse piece, right? It can go under a blazer. It works with the trousers that we talked about in the last episode. It works with literally anything you can think of in your closet right now. And if I'm being honest, friend, you probably need 2 of these because you'll wear them all the time. The 2 I have are from Uniqlo. I picked a white tee because it's a classic and literally goes with everything. And then I chose a brown one as my other neutral. Item number 3 is a midi dress or a shirt dress. And this one surprises people, but hear me out. A midi dress or shirt dress is one of the easiest things that you can put on your body. You don't have to think about pairing it with anything. You just put it on and you look like you tried. It works for a client call, a lunch, church, a casual work event, or a day where you just want to feel like yourself without putting in a lot of effort. Look for one in a solid neutral or a simple print that works with your palette. And bonus points if it has pockets, friend, because we deserve pockets. I have this black one from Quince and I love it. It's super soft and stretchy. And then I have this striped linen blend one that I picked up from Target ages ago. Item number 4 is pointed flats or loafers. These are comfortable, polished, and they work with almost everything on this list. You can wear it with jeans, trousers, the midi dress. Pointed flats or loafers pull the look together without making you feel like you gotta be in heels on a random Tuesday. And I know we talked about pumps in the last episode for interviews, but consider this your everyday shoe that looks intentional. And if you're thrifting or shopping on a budget, Shoes are one of the easiest things to find secondhand in great condition. Sites like ThreadUp or Depop are really great for this. I don't have a pair of pointed flats just yet, but I do have a pair of Kitten Hill slingbacks that I love and these cognac colored loafers. I really want some red flats though. Item number 5 is a structured tote or a work bag. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, the bag matters. I know we don't always think about this as part of the wardrobe, but when you show up somewhere, like an interview, a meeting, a coffee with a new contact, your bag is part of the bigger picture. So a clean structured tote that isn't falling apart or doesn't have like markings all over it or smeared with your kids' snacks will work in this situation. And you don't need to spend a lot of money, right? Like thrift stores or Amazon have really good solid options. You just need one that looks intentional and holds your things without looking like you packed for an overnight trip. I have this Telfar tote, but eventually I think I'll end up replacing it with a leather tote. And I really want one that zips on the top or like has like a secure closure, not just an open top. If you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm still building out my capsule too. And then item number 6 would be a cardigan or a relaxed blazer for layering. This is your work from home bestie. A good cardigan or a more relaxed structured layer gives you the ability to look put together on a Zoom call without committing to the full blazer look, if you know what I mean. It also handles the temperature situation because working from home means you control the thermostat, but somehow it still ends up either freezing or it's like burning up. I don't understand it. Anyway, a neutral cardigan in like a cream or a camel, black or gray, layers over everything in this list. It's also the piece that makes a simple t-shirt with a pair of jeans look like an actual outfit instead of something you just grabbed off a chair. I am a cardigan girly and I have quite a few cardigans. I'm wearing this one right now from Quince. I have a cream one from Old Navy that I eventually want to replace, and a few that I took from my husband's closet because they were too small for him. Waste not, want not, okay? And as a bonus, you can't forget about jewelry. Just a few pieces that put the finishing touches on your outfit. For me, that's a watch, my necklaces that I wear every day, my gold hoops. I may even add a bracelet stack for some razzle dazzle, and that's about it. Here's something I want to normalize before we close out this conversation. Your capsule isn't going to be complete overnight. Mine isn't complete right now. I'm still on the hunt for a few things to complete my capsule that I mentioned throughout our chat here, and I'm even eyeing Quince for a couple of matching sets that I can mix match within my wardrobe. What I've learned is this is an ongoing process of editing and adding items where you need to intentionally, especially if you feel like you've lost your sense of style after job loss or life events, or even feeling like working from home for years has ruined how you dress. I've definitely felt this way. Just pick the colors that work for you, friend. Shop the size that you are now and be cute and confident, okay? The goal isn't a perfect closet. The goal is a closet where almost everything fits, almost everything works together, and getting dressed doesn't feel like a project. All right, friend, that's all I have for you today. But that is the capsule, and it's perfect for whatever life throws at you. If this series helped you in any way whatsoever, drop a comment below and tell me where you're starting from. What's the first piece you're going to add to your capsule wardrobe? Like, I want to know, because it might be something I need. And as always, thank you for being here for the whole series. I had so much fun playing dress up with you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, or share this with a friend who's in the middle of a reset. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!